Right then, I'm in my room and the birds have been circulating the garage roof for the bread. Well, the naan bread it's on it. Don't know if you can see the spot on it. There's a bird just there. There's a bird just there. See, the issue is, right, they can smell it and they can see it. But every time they get closer, something happens and it just buggered off. Just wait. Just wait. It's a waiting game now. Next door neighbour's garden looks nice. And that's enough of that. I'm going to edit stop this now, right? And I will jump up when the birds come up again, right? I think they could possibly sense me at the window, I don't know. Right? Right, stopping the recording now and I will speak to you in a few minutes or a second when the birds come back again. Right.